Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I install those cute hair. Okay, so this hair is from DYHAIR777. okay, so this is their bag over here. How cute is it? This is their bag and this is their pamphlet. Okay, very cute pamphlet. So everything comes there. Very cute pamphlet. So they sent to me 3 bundles of this kinky hair, which is 14, 16 and 18 inches with a frontal of 14 inches. So this wig is very full and very cute. I didn't show how I did the wig, but I showed you guys how I did this cornrows over here. Okay, so yeah, and the hair is very full and very soft. Very soft. So I didn't experience any kind of shedding because like it didn't shed that much. So like yeah, I'm very soft. I love it. So yeah, I wanted to try something different. That's why I did this. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the contact lens I'm wearing today is from COLORCL.com. even though you can notice here I'm wearing contact lenses. So today I'm wearing the BLANC Rose collection and this color is latte brown or latte brown, I don't know. I'm going to keep a direct link to this contact lenses. My discount code is GGLOW10 for you to get 10% off from each order you have from COLORCL.com. So don't forget GGLOW10 for 10% off. Que no se te olvide. Don't forget. When I finish doing the wig, I wash the hair with this shampoo. I'm going to keep it right here. So this shampoo is 2-in-1. okay, so it has shampoo and conditioner in one. So this one I also use it for my own natural hair and it's very cute and cheap shampoo. Don't go for Tresemme because no, it's very expensive. So buy this one, buy it. Okay, buy it and you remember me. So my cuties, without talking so much, if you want to know how I did these cornrows over here, just keep watching. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Ya entendimos todas las señales. Hoy voy a hacerte hasta lo que no sabes, porque yo sé que tú prefieres tocar lo que puedes ver. Así que vente pa' la oscuridad.
Give it to them hot. Give it to them hot, no stop. Think like a man, like a boss. So I got my shit on. Yeah. No need for weekend, it's mine up. For a nigga to be mine up. Everything I want, that is mine up. Got my head sleep by China. My papa, that he will die for me. Go tell my friends them, go tell my friends them that he will die for me. Go tell my mama, go tell my papa that he will die for me. For so long I've been waiting on, waiting for your love and your body on. Come take up the money on, pretty baby, you're my honey on. We love you for a very long time.